Did you know, cows are some of the most helpful animals in the world? They live on farms, in fields, and even on green hills, and they've been our friends for thousands of years. Cows give us milk, which we use to make cheese, yogurt, butter, and even ice cream. Every day, one cow can produce enough milk to fill more than 100 glasses. Wow! That's a lot of milk. Cows are gentle and calm animals. They love to walk slowly through the fields, munching on fresh green grass. A cow can eat up to 40 kilograms of food in a single day and drink about 100 liters of water. But here's something amazing: cows have 4 stomachs. Their special stomach helps them digest grass, which is very hard to break down. The food moves through each part of their stomach to get all the nutrients they need. Did you know, cows can talk to each other? They don't use words like humans, but they communicate using different moos and body movements. Each cow has its own unique voice, and mothers can recognize their calves just by their sound. They live in groups called herds, and they make strong friendships with other cows. Sometimes they even get sad if they're away from their best friend. Cows are smarter than many people think. They can remember faces, learn from experience, and even solve small problems to get food or open gates. They also have amazing senses. A cow can smell things up to 10 kilometers away, and they can hear sounds that humans can't. When they're happy, cows wag their tails, relax their ears, or lie down together in the sunshine. And when they're scared, they make louder moos to warn the others. A healthy cow can live up to 20 years, and farmers take good care of them, giving them food, clean water, and comfy places to rest. Farmers take care of cows every day, feeding them, brushing their coats, and keeping their barns clean. Happy cows give more milk and live longer, healthier lives. In some parts of the world, cows are also important in culture and farming traditions. They help plow fields, carry loads, and keep the farm ecosystem balanced. So, the next time you see a cow in a field, remember how special these gentle giants are. They help humans every day, care for their families, and fill our world with kindness and life. Let's always treat them with love and respect.